Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to record an indoor run on Strava. Strava does not have a direct option for recording an indoor run like an outdoor GPS run, so we will use a simple workaround. So first, just go ahead and open your Strava app, and now when you go to record, and click on the menu options and scroll down, and here you will see strength. And here there is no option for recording indoor run. So just go back, and now in your dashboard, just go and click on the plus icon and choose manual activity. And now here, just go ahead and title your activity to something like indoor run. And just click on the drop down and set it to something like run. And you can also add a photo or a video. So video on Strava can be up to 30 seconds long. And if your video is longer than that, Strava will trim it into the first 30 seconds of you. And just go ahead and upload your photo or video if you want and select your date. I'm just going to select the date for today and select your time. Also, you can use the slider to adjust the time to however you like. And after confirming this, go ahead and click on OK. And now you will see the total number of time. So just click on the drop down, and let's say you ran for around 15 minutes. Set it to 15 and click on OK. And also, if you are running on Treadmill, you may be able to see how many distance you have covered. So just go ahead and set it to kilometers, or you can even set it on miles. And after that, just go ahead and click on OK and scroll down, and you'll see Activity tab. You can also add an Activity tab, and you'll see many other options. So basically, just go ahead and configure it to your liking. And you even have visibility. Just click on the drop-down, and you can set it to anything that you like everyone, followers, or only you. And after you have done that, just go ahead and click on Save Activity. And now after refreshing, you will see the indoor run has been successfully recorded in Strava. And that's it. We just learned how to record an indoor run on Strava by using manual activity option instead of GPS tracking. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video